Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning one ayat, that is the praising of Allah. And this ayat is from Surah Al Hashr, the first ayat of Surah Al Hashr. And that is very important also because it also tells us about all the things in the heavens and on the earth. They are busy in praising Allah. So if we read this ayat about 101 times and blow on water and give this water to the patient to drink who is suffering in jaundice, so that person will become better. Maybe if it may be the child or big, any person. But start and end with Darood Salam to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. I read this ayat. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Sabbaha lillahi ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard wa huwal azizul hakim. Sabbaha lillahi ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard wa huwal azizul hakim. Sabbaha lillahi ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard Wahwal Azizul Hakim. I can translate now in it. Sabbaha, in praising. Lillahi, for Allah. Ma fi samawati, whatever is in the heaven. So glorifies Allah, whatever is in the heaven. وَمَا فِي الْأَرْضِ, and whatever is on the earth. Everything is glorifying Allah. وَهُوَ الْعَزِيزُ الْحَكِيمُ. وَهُوَ, and Allah, Aziz is almighty, Hakim, all-wise. Sabbaha lillahi ma fis samawati wa ma fil ard wa huwal azizul hakim. Whatever is in the heavens and whatever is on the earth, glorifying Allah. And Allah is almighty, all-wise. So we have to read this ayat. We will get reward from Allah also. And if we blow on water this one 101 times and start and end with Durood Salam to Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, then if a person has jaundice, this disease will finish and the person will become recovered. You have to start this one and do it, continue up to 7 days. If the patient is not becoming better, continue up to 21 days. If it is not better, then last up to 40 days, that will be completely fit and recovered from the disease. The person will be all right, inshallah. And be thankful to Allah, and as a sadaqah, you have to give some person. So inshallah, Allah's mercies will fall upon you, and inshallah in your house, the health and also Allah's blessings with mercies inshallah will fall, and you will be the good person in the eyes of Allah. Allah gave us tawfiq to do it. Ameen.